How to use your OneImaging digital payment card. Your OneImaging digital payment card is like a prepaid debit card, just for your imaging appointment. It's how OneImaging pays for the full cost of your exam, allowing us to secure better prices and pass those savings on to you. Before your appointment, submit your cost share in your OneImaging account or by calling us. Once your cost share is submitted, we'll activate your card and load the funds you'll use at the imaging center. When you arrive at the imaging center, use your OneImaging card to pay for your visit. It's important that all charges for your exam are paid using your OneImaging card, which covers the full cost of your exam. Do not use your insurance, even if requested, and don't use your personal cards or cash. Access your OneImaging card in your account at oneimaging.com/wallet. If Tap to Pay isn't available, your card number and expiration date are also in your wallet. Quick tip: if the imaging center asks for a name and zip code, use your own name and home zip code. If you have any questions, call us at 833-619-0837. We're happy to help.